Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 5 Minutes of Math. This is Mr. Lunsford, and I am glad you joined me this evening. Tonight's homework is for the evening of March 15th, 2018, and we're looking at surface area. We're looking at more problems. Let's get started. All right, with number 6, we're looking at another rectangular prism, and we want to find the surface area. So, we're starting here with our dimensions. 8.3 centimeters is our length, 7.5 centimeters is our width, 1.4 centimeters is our height, and as I've been repeating, centimeters, those are our units. So here's our surface area formula: 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height will give us our total surface area. Then we have 2 times 8.3 times 7.5 plus 2 times 8.3 times 1.4 plus 2 times 7.5 times 1.4. Next line, 2 times 62.25 plus 2 times 11.62 plus 2 times 10.5. And surface area, the laughing you hear in the background is my wife, and yes, this is, it's okay. The last line here, the surface area, 124.5 plus 23.24 plus 21. And if you combine all of that, you end up with 168.74 centimeters squared. All right? So it's just a matter of assigning your units, assigning your dimensions, and keeping track of them as you work through the problem. And we have another rectangular prism. Here's our dimensions. 3.5 inches is our length, 4 inches is our width, 2 inches is our height. We have our units as inches. So right here, here's our surface area: 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. And we just work through the formula as we just did with number 6. 2 times 3.5 times 4 plus 2 times 3.5 times 2 plus 2 times 4 times 2. So the surface area here, 2 times 14 plus 2 times 7 plus 2 times 8. We have 28 plus 14 plus 16. 58 inches squared is our final surface area. All right. And moving on to number 8. We have a triangular prism. Now, if you're comparing the diagram in the book to what I actually have down here, that is the same object. It's just been turned around and flipped over. People who design and build machines and furniture and other different things that would come out of manufacturing have to see objects in all their orientations. So yes, it's still a triangular prism. It's just been rotated and flipped over. So let's assign our parts. The base is 5 feet. Our height is 12, our length is 10 feet, our side is 13 feet, and of course, for our units, we're using feet. So surface area here is base times height plus length times side plus length times base plus length times height. So we have 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. And the 2 triangles, remember the formula for one triangle is 1/2 base times height. So if you have 2 triangles, it's 1/2 base times height plus another 1/2 base times height equals 1.0 base times height. That's why we're using this particular formula. All right, so our surface area, 5 times 12 plus 10 times 13 plus 10 times 5 plus 10 times 12. We simplify that to 60 plus 130 plus 50 plus 120. And our surface area is 360 feet squared. That's it. Y'all take care, and remember, math is not just about numbers. It's all about the relationships that surround us every day. Have a good one.